Zippo? Roger that. Zippo first.
I got a Zippo.
You do, Skyhawks.
What about my Zippo?
Zippo.
And then these are all the apps. You've got a Zippo.
I want you to have my Zippo.
And he gave me this lighter. Zippo.
The fucking truth is, my lucky Zippo is gonna win me Chester's fucking car.
I told you, you should stop buying these shitty lighters and get like a fucking Zippo, you know?
I want my fucking Zippo now.
Now I'm on top pan with this giant Zippo strapped to my back.
Is your Zippo still there?
Thanks for the Zippo.
Oh, no problem.
When I was in the Army, Zippo was always in my pocket. In my day, when you had a Zippo, you were a winner.
For almost 80 years, it's been the worldwide symbol of cool. The Zippo.
Amy Adams took a turn in the photo booth and then showed off her old school Zippo lighter.
A little Zippo lighter display.
Found it in the back of my bureau drawer next to the Zippo lighter that you gave me.
Atlas was forced to leave here. No Marine would leave a Zippo like this behind.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, these are all brand new boxes of Zippos.
Anybody who owns a Zippo, raise your hands, please.